Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan Autoworx. Today we're going to be talking about Ford 2 and 3 plug Bosch ECMs. This is a particular 3 plug out of a 2018 or 2019 Mustang. You're also going to find 2 plugs that are not the big or the small big small, but they're going to be big connector, like 2 big connectors on the 2 plug Bosch computers. You find those in a lot of EcoBoost and some of the Transit vans. This particular one, like I said, is out of a Mustang, 2018 or 2019 Mustang. The computer is bad, so what we had to do is clone this original computer to another replacement. The reason that the customer wanted to clone is kind of twofold here, kind of threefold here. So one, this computer was tuned for his car, put a different airbox on it. When you swap over, the car won't run. So he was either going to have it retuned or we cloned it. So we cloned it. Everything works like it should. When we put the new one in, VIN stays the same, everything, all the security stays the same. It's plug and play. Second thing being, if he was to program another computer, if we went through program another computer and we went back to resync it, the PATS information or the perimeter reset you'd have to do for PATS, you'd have to have special access to that or take it to the dealer. We do have that access, but we gotta get information from the customer in order to do that perimeter reset to sync it back, so it's kind of an extra step. And then also you'd have to have it retuned, which would cost the customer more money. So on the 2 and 3 plugs, cloning is definitely the way to go. So if you have a faulty Bosch 2 or 3 plug ECM, give us a call at 636-795-6960, or you can reach out to us by email, spartanautoworx@gmail.com. You can send in a replacement. We don't supply these, but you can send in a part number matching, or at the bottom here, there'll be a Bosch part number and then a Ford part number at the top. Match that Ford part number, so it's part number for part number. Send it in to us. We'll clone the original to your provided replacement. We send it back to you. It's 100% plug and play. There's no additional resets, no special deal you have to do with security, keys, etc. like that. Like I said, give us a call, 636-795-6960. Remember, this is for the Bosch 2 and 3 plug ECM.